Lose 5 kilos in a week. This is one of the best smoothies to quickly flatten your belly. This smoothie is so effective that your friends will believe you had liposuction. To start, we will need 2 large tablespoons of oats. Add some water and let them soak overnight. The next day, drain the oats to remove the starch. We will also need 1.5 tablespoons of chia seeds. Add a bit of water and let them sit for 10 minutes. You'll notice how quickly the seeds start to release their gel. To improve the effectiveness and satiety of this smoothie, we will add the juice of half a lemon and a green apple. Place the ingredients in a blender, along with a large tablespoon of cinnamon and 300 milliliters of water. Blend for a few minutes, and our drink will be ready. This drink has a high satiety capacity, which will greatly reduce your calorie intake throughout the day. Additionally, components like the mucilage present in chia seeds will even help lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels. How to take it? Simply drink a glass of this beverage before your first meal, or you can replace dinner and drink it at night before going to bed. If you also follow a low-calorie diet along with this drink, you'll see significant results in just 1 week. I wish you a long and healthy life. Thanks for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.